Here's how to create a WhatsApp group chat where only admins can send messages. So first open your WhatsApp application and log into your specific account. You can manage group chat settings within the app. So tap on the group chat first. Tap on the group name in the top of the screen. Now scroll down and select group permissions. Here you can control what members can do. Admins have full control, but you can customize member permissions. Usually members can send messages. So if the send messages option is enabled for members, everyone in the group can send messages. To allow only admins to send messages, disable the send messages option. And this way, members can only read messages. You can also control other member actions such as adding participants or editing the group settings. So that's how it works. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.